I'm going to show you how to connect desktop mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26. It'll work for some of the previous Samsung Galaxy models as well, directly to an Insignia Fire TV via cable here. And you can see I'm connected desktop mode. I can bring up the touchpad right here, bottom left hand side. I can tap that little square, that rectangle, and here's the pad. You can see me strolling on there, and I can just go to my settings here. If I want to scroll down, use two fingers like this. Let's go ahead and close out the window. And if you want to minimize the touchpad here, just double tap the X button, the close button, double tap, and you're back on your screen here. So how do you connect? You basically just need a cable, an HDMI cable to a USB-C. Okay, I'll put a link below. But once you connect the HDMI to the back of the TV and you connect the other side to your phone here, all you got to do is wait for it to pop up. The thing is, if it doesn't pop up, you have to go to the correct HDMI input. Okay, so let me go home here, and I'm going to go to inputs. Oops, where's it at? There, inputs right there. Select that, and then I can see it's highlighted on HDMI 1, okay? But you need to find the one that's highlighted so you know it's connected. If I click on HDMI 3, it's just going to show that there's no signal detected, okay? So let me go back. And I'm going to go and connect back to the HDMI 1 right there. And then once I do that, we're back in business. I can disconnect simply like that. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.